Hi folks, it's August already and we're about to start combining our fall rye, which is a beautiful crop thanks to all the rain we've had in Manitoba. Don't know how things are going on your farm, but I suspect that things are getting a little bit tense as you think about how are we going to prepare for harvest. So this is what I'd like you to do. Take a deep breath and just relax and think about what you need to do to get mentally, spiritually, emotionally, and physically prepared. But think about what you're going to do with the blow-ups that happen during combining. So this week's insight is called Saying Sorry at Harvest. And when you see this article, you're going to see, Elaine, you have a lot of accidents backing up. And I like to use myself as a personal example because it's my story and I'm sticking to it. So first of all, I want you to express regret when things go wrong. I want you to take responsibility. I want you to think about what would you like me to do differently, or how can I make repair for what has happened. Obviously, we need to change our behavior. If you're always being a jerk, if you're always flying off the handle, if you don't take other people's feelings and thoughts and actions into consideration while you're harvesting. And then the other thing is to ask for forgiveness. We have a certified seed business. We have isolation strips. We can't cross-contaminate the fields. We have new employees who don't know that we like things to be cut at a certain height in terms of how we manage minimum till on our farm. So there's lots of things to learn. So don't make assumptions, ask questions, and use the phrase, I'm just curious. Harvest on your farm, or moving cattle, or tending to the sheep, or putting up the silage, whatever you're doing this fall is going to go a lot better if you take responsibility for your behavior and if you don't accept bad behavior. If someone is quick to make judgment or is feeling irritated or coming off as very terse, first of all, ask them, did you have a good sleep last night? Or is there something I can do? Can I bring you a hot coffee? What do you need right now that you're not getting? And just don't take it personally. Creating solutions, expressing emotions, reaching out, making repair, and adapting are all positive conflict behaviors you can use this fall. And it's going to be a long fall because we've got late crops. And my condolences to my farm friends and clients out in southern Alberta who have had a horrible hailstorm, and those of you in Ontario who didn't get rain for 2 months and are now looking at a meager crop. We're all in different spots, but we deal with what we can on a daily basis. So read the article, Saying Sorry with Harvest, and if you need a discovery call, my coaching team of 8 coaches and myself are ready to support you for 0.5% of 0.5% of your week, which is 1 hour, if you need a check-in coaching call. Talk to you soon.